Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Marcos Chicago style pizza. You need a few key ingredients and follow specific steps. Here's a brief summary of the process of the popular recipe found on the internet. So flash on the screen are the ingredients, make sure to have those ready. So first is to prepare the dough. Combine the flour, water, yeast, sugar, and salt to make the dough. Knead the dough until smooth and elastic. Let it rise in a warm place until it doubles in size. Next is to preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to the most appropriate temperature. Third, assemble the pizza. Roll out the dough and place it in a greased pizza pan. Layer the mozzarella cheese even over the dough. Add your desired toppings on the top of the cheese. Spread the pizza sauce over the toppings. Next is to bake the pizza. Place the assembled pizza in the preheated oven. Bake until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Lastly is to serve and enjoy. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Slice and enjoy your homemade Marcos Chicago style pizza. So that's basically it.